Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you a Suburban come off of the South Dakota State Fleet. Did I see any hail? A little bit, just a few, couple scratches on the hood here. Silver hides it rather well. Good tread on the tires. Got a scratch right here and some smaller ones. Interior's in nice shape, cloth, and this seats 9 people. 369, yep. 143, 660, 2 keys, 2 remotes. Got the vinyl floor on it. That's part of what the state orders. I think they carpet delete them. But like I said, doesn't look like hardly anybody sat back here. So pretty clean vehicle. As far as rust, looks pretty good there. Little scratches right there. Trailer tow package, plenty of room for cargo. Here you can see a scratch. Got a little ding right here, a little paint touch up right there. But these, what's called the dog horns, are in pretty good shape. This is the rust I found on it right there. And that's because it come from out in Pier area out there. So. Pretty decent older Suburban, definitely priced right, and you can haul the whole family. 605-692-7010.